Thank you for finding me suitable to be your personal assistant. Your Excellency, I will not send money to around Gambia. And lastly, Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to welcome you. Your Excellency, to thank you very much for making Agiri a center of excellence for the young people. Secondly, I want to thank you graduates for being tireless, working hard, disciplined to achieve the desired dreams of your hearts. As you venture ahead, I want to wish you all the best. In your curriculum, graduates have seen you've done good talent in music, financial management, computer packages, mental health, and above all, personal branding. That will give you the trajectory to fly even higher. Thank you very much for that. And to say I'm happy to join you on this 5th occasion for the graduation of Agiri. I am happy to be associated with